So the place have changed, but still we consider it a historical site. And I hope very much that in 1 year there will be a nice sign. This maybe has to do with the fact that in the winter, which is warm, jungles where they have a lot of shade, almost no sun gets there. We thought about security and safety, and thinking that in order to defend the babies and the children sleeping there, we will put them offered to the members free. Most of the people who run the activity doesn't need a lot of water, no pruning at all, so it's this is it. The vinca, and you see there are white vincas. There are blue. And expose the seeds. They will fly like parachutes to other places with the light wind and will sprout in new places. This is called the Sodom apple because the fruit looks like apples although they are empty. There is nothing to eat, and it's a poisonous family. What is interesting about this plant? You can find it in North Africa, near the Sahara in many places, in Iraq, places like this. It's this kind of very soft, very pleasant apple.
But today it's not, we don't make it.
One of the professors wanted to know if it's really a good story. He found a woman in Israel, near Haifa, who specializes in ancient arts and crafts, especially. It started growing from the broken place, those 8, God bless you, Gesundheit. Okay, now this wool is very famous. The name of the wool is Kappa. Look at how they use to sell it all around the world. Now, in poor countries, not only South America, you see the seeds also. If you look up, you see some fruit, green, and maybe you can see some yellow.
Mamon.
Right, papaya.
Papaya.
Mamon, it's papaya. This is papaya, and you see here about 6 or 7 papayas.
Papayas.
No one plants 6 or 7 papayas, and you see there are different ages because what happens with papayas in En Gedi? When the fruit gets so high that my wife is not able to, like the monstera, makes fruit and the fruit makes seeds and the seeds make new plants, it means it can complete a full cycle of life. It means that so many males in the world. 90% female, 10% male is good, it's enough. Yeah? I'm talking about fruit trees. Also, it will take many years until you get a nice fruit-bearing tree. Also, as I told you about the papaya, the quality of and so on. And they are like you have a new end coming from. It's the same genetics. So the fruit that will come from this will be exactly the same fruit that will come from this. And if this is female, all of those will be female. Because of the very special weather of the Dead Sea area, already at the time of the Bible, leaves, they are picked, dried, crushed, broken, and then you can mix them with something like lemon juice, something acid, leave it for about 24 hours, and then a chemical called tannin is coming out of the cells of the broken henna and makes it very, very dark in color. Now, what is this liquid or this material that gives this beautiful smell? Here, look here. If there is a wound in the branch, immediately you can see liquid here. You can touch it with your finger and smell it's the same. You have it in pine trees. You have it in pine trees. You have it in the rubber trees in East Asia. What is it? Look how it changes to white. If the tree is wounded, this of cell with cancer. They wanted to check if this liquid will make this self-suicide effect in the sick cells and will not touch the healthy cells.
Apoptose, yes.
Okay, so for example, others are doing research for perfumes. So years later, the architect came again and said, "Here we have to put another house." At that time, we took it for the second time and planted it here. That was the year that we have started building our dining room. So we said, okay, there will be one baobab near. So we have 3 baobabs who are 55 years old. We'll get under and see maybe there is 1 or 2 flowers left from the night because it's the end of the blooming season. They bloom only at night. And from these baobabs, we were able to make about 25 plants. So we have about 25 baobabs in En Gedi. So this one is 55 years old, and this ceiba tree that I told you that grows so fast is only 17. It's September. Now it's the end, so Boker Tov. So you see, these are flower buds that maybe will open tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's not the fruit. These are the flower buds. The flowers are white because they are night flowers. At night, if the flower wants to attract animals, the best color will be white, of course. And they have to attract which kind of animals? Animals that can fly to reach the flowers that are very high, and animals that are active at night. Mainly bats. Bats that fiddle mice. We didn't know that there are fiddle mice here around in the desert. When the barb lots of them, they make thick fruit, beautiful. You see what? The fruit? The flowers. Yes. At night, they are full of those balls.
אורית, קומי בואו!
Ich nicht mehr so, bitte von hier, damit du nicht in der Bahn hier. Bitte. Ouvrez la bouche, hein. Ouvrez la bouche. Pause. Danke. Jetzt kannst du Stopp. Super. Ja.
Okay?
Ja. Und jetzt nochmal.
Ja.
Okay.
Und,
Okay. Jetzt bin ich wirklich. Okay. Kamera läuft.
ja.
Super. Danke mal. Warte mal. Warte mal. Bist du bereit?
Ja.
Left.